guys, so basically I wanted to make a engine with a cam on top. I'm not sure how to do that yet, so while I'm figuring all that out, I'm going to make a twin cylinder 2-stroke engine. I think I'm going to use the method of rotary kind of thing, see how that works, if it works at all. Anyway, let's have a go. Making a crankshaft. Well, that's it for today, guys. I've run out of time, and this is supposed to be the crankshaft, the crank. And what I've done, I've drilled this hole right through because I'm going to put a bearing on two ends here, and I'll drill these holes right through so that we have matching. Next thing to do is cut these up like maybe ½ inch each, and then put it on the lathe and put some something on the end, put the bearing on, and that should be my crankshaft done.